The banking revolution for everyone has begun. Buy OnePay today at onepaytoken.com. In this video, we will show you how to use StellarTerm to purchase your OnePay tokens. We will walk you through how to create your StellarTerm account, create your Stellar wallet through StellarTerm, how to add OnePay as an asset in your Stellar wallet using StellarTerm, how to fund your Stellar wallet with at least 3 XLM to activate your Stellar wallet. This step is required by the Stellar network to fund and activate your Stellar wallet address for transactions. And finally, once your Stellar wallet has been activated, how to purchase OnePay and make sure your account shows your newly purchased OnePay tokens in your account. Let's get started. Click on the New Account button at the top right-hand side of your browser. Under Manage Stellar Account, you have several options. Generating a new Stellar account under Manage Stellar Account allows you fast access to your Stellar account. Discover new tokens and market pairs, place orders, and send funds using memorable addresses in just a few clicks. We also see the option to log in if we already have an account, as well as the option to log in with Freighter, Ledger, and with a Trezor hardware cold storage wallets, if you have those. In this tutorial, we are going to generate a new Stellar account to use with our new StellarTerm account. Now, let's focus on creating your Stellar account so you can buy your OnePay tokens. To purchase your OnePay tokens, you will first need to create a Stellar wallet if you don't have one already. Here, under Manage Stellar Account, click on the green Generate New Stellar Account button to get started. This will prompt you with a new Stellar account window. You can see your new secret key under the new public key field. To get started on using the Stellar network, a new unique key pair is generated for you. Key pair represents the public and secret keys of your Stellar account. A public key is used to identify an account and receive funds. It is also known as an account and will be used as your account ID. You must save your new secret key. This step is very important to keeping your account and funds safe. Make sure you write down your secret key and then store it securely. Remember to never share your secret key and to not make digital copies of it. It is highly recommended you write it down on paper and store it in a secure place where no one else can access it. A secret key is used to access your account and make transactions in StellarTerm. Anyone with the key will have full access to your StellarTerm account and funds. If you lose the key, you will no longer be able to access your funds, and there is no recovery mechanism. It is very important that you back up the secret key and keep it secure. This secret key will only be shown to you once. Remember to always keep this key safe and secure. StellarTerm does not save it for your own security and will not be able to help you recover it if lost. This is the only time that the secret key can be viewed. You are the only one who has access to the displayed secret key. StellarTerm will not be able to display the secret key to you again, so make sure to write this secret key down on paper. Now click the Copy Your Secret Key to Your Clipboard button in the New Secret Key field to copy your secret key to your clipboard. This will make things easier on the next screen. Again, it is very important that you write your secret key down on paper. It will not be shown to you again. We repeat, write this secret key down. Once you've done that, click the I've backed up my secret key in a safe place checkbox and hit the Continue button. You should now see a Verify Secret Key window. To verify that you've saved the secret key of your new Stellar account on paper and that you've copied it to your clipboard from the previous screen, this step ensures that you've saved your secret key in order to continue. In the Enter Secret Key field, paste your secret key that we just copied to our clipboard from the previous screen. After pasting your secret key from your clipboard to the Enter Secret Key field, click the I accept the terms of use checkbox and click the green Verify button to verify your new account. After your StellarTerm account is done loading, you should now see the Account Activation Required page. We must now activate our Stellar account and send at least 5 XLM to our Stellar account to activate our wallet. You can buy Lumen's XLM from an exchange and send them to your address. This step is required by the Stellar network to fund and activate your Stellar Wallet address to send and receive payments, and also to activate our Stellar Wallet and StellarTerm account to add new assets to our Stellar account. This is necessary to add OnePay asset to your Stellar account. Let's activate our Stellar account by sending some XLM to our new Stellar wallet. Under the Send from Another Wallet section, you should see a QR code with your wallet account ID, which is also known as your Stellar account address. You should also see an option to buy lumens with a Visa or MasterCard. In this tutorial, we are going to use this QR code to send XLM from another wallet. Leave this screen open so we can scan this QR code from our favorite mobile wallet application to send your XLM to this address to fund and activate your Stellar account. Now head over to your favorite mobile app for purchasing XLM. There's a lot of exchanges and apps you can use to purchase XLM. You can use Coinbase, Gemini, FTX, Binance, and many websites to purchase your XLM. You can even purchase XLM directly from your StellarTerm account under the BUI Lumens with Visa or MasterCard section to purchase XLM with a credit card. In this tutorial, we chose to purchase XLM via an app and transfer those XLM to our Stellar account address to fund and activate our newly created Stellar account through StellarTerm. We chose to purchase 15 XLM and clicked Continue. We then went to the Send XLM page and chose to use the QR code scanner to send XLM to our Stellar account to fund and activate our new Stellar account from the Account Activation Require page we had pulled up earlier in our StellarTerm account. We then entered a quick note and XLM memo and clicked on Preview Send. Once we reviewed everything on the screen, we clicked the Send Now button to send XLM to our new Stellar account, and voila! Our account is now funded and activated, and a balance of 15 XLM is now present in our Stellar account on the StellarTerm homepage. Success! We have now created, funded, and activated our StellarTerm account, Stellar account, and Stellar wallet. Congratulations! Now the fun part begins. Let's add OnePay as a trusted asset on our Stellar account and wallet and purchase some OnePay. Before we add OnePay as a trusted asset in our Stellar account, let's take some time to get acquainted with StellarTerm. After scrolling to the top of the page on StellarTerm, you should see the StellarTerm menu at the top of your screen. You can view markets, exchange, account, and the buy crypto menu items. Let's focus on your StellarTerm account information now. With the Account section selected from the top menu, you can view your account information under the Account tab. Here you can see your balances, send, accept assets, multisig information, activity, and settings. Under your StellarTerm account, you can also set up your security options for your account, where you can set up two-factor authentication for your StellarTerm account. We're now ready to add OnePay as a trusted asset in your Stellar account using StellarTerm. Click on Markets on the top menu and under the Discover Assets issued by Anchor and trade them input field and type in onepay.stellarmint.io. You will now see the OnePay asset in the results and should be able to just click on the OnePay asset from the results field from here. After the OnePay overbook is done loading, you should see lots of information about OnePay and price data. Here you can see last price, last USD price, 24-hour changes, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, as well as 24-hour volume for OnePay. Here you can also view different trading tools provided by StellarTerm to help you trade OnePay better. Here we can select from line charts, candlestick charts, and bar charts, and also select different timeframes to better visualize recent OnePay price action. You can even easily zoom in and out on graphs so you can see even more data about OnePay. Here you can even take a screenshot of the chart you are currently viewing to share with your friends and family, or to view at a later time. You can also view the charts in full screen mode, which is an awesome feature of StellarTerm to help you trade OnePay even better. Before we can create an offer, we must first add OnePay as a trusted asset in our Stellar account, so we can trade it and place new buy and sell orders using the StellarTerm decentralized exchange. We know you can't wait to add OnePay as a trusted asset, but let's take a deeper look at the StellarTerm OnePay trading page to make sure we understand all the functionalities. Scroll down to the Create New Offer sections. Under the Buy OnePay section, you can create either a limit or market order. In this tutorial, we'll be placing a market purchase order, meaning we are creating a buy order for OnePay at the current market price of OnePay. A limit order allows you to set the price you'd like to limit your purchase order to. This allows you to pick the price you're willing to pay for OnePay. That is very useful. However, for this tutorial, we want to ensure our OnePay purchase is fulfilled by the order book immediately, so we will create a buy order at the current market price for OnePay. Scroll down to the Order Book and Trade History section. Here we can view the order book for OnePay, as well as past trade transactions made on the OnePay network. We can view both previous and current buy offers as well as sell offers. Under the Manage Offers section, we can also view offers we have open, where we can edit them or even cancel them if we'd like. We will be taking a closer look at all of this later in this video, but for now, let's focus on adding OnePay as a trusted asset in our Stellar account so we can buy some OnePay. Now we're ready to add OnePay as a trusted asset in our StellarTerm account and Stellar wallet. Let's scroll back up to the top to view the OnePay chart information, and then scroll back down to the Create New Offer section, where we have a section titled To Trade. Activate these assets in your account. Here you should see OnePay with a green Accept button next to the OnePay assets. Click on the Accept button to add OnePay as a trusted asset in our StellarTerm account and Stellar wallet. With OnePay as an added asset, we can securely buy OnePay tokens using our StellarTerm account and Stellar wallet. Awesome! We have now created a StellarTerm account successfully, created a Stellar wallet, funded and activated our Stellar wallet with at least 5 XLM, and have now successfully added the OnePay asset to our StellarTerm account and Stellar wallet. Congratulations, you're a pro! Give yourself a pat on the back. We are now ready to rock, and more than ready to purchase our OnePay tokens. You're now one step closer to joining the decentralized banking revolution for everyone. We're now ready to purchase OnePay. We're just as excited as you are about purchasing our OnePay tokens. Congratulations on joining the decentralized banking revolution. Now, let's purchase some OnePay. Click on the Account tab from the top menu. After the account page is finished loading, you will now see OnePay under Balances and Asset section. You can now see that OnePay is now listed under the Asset section. We can see that we don't have any OnePay yet, and our OnePay balance is currently at 0. Let's change that and purchase some OnePay now. Click on the Trade button next to OnePay token under the Balance section and wait for the Trade OnePay section to load. You're already familiar with the OnePay trade page on StellarTerm, but as a reminder here, you can view price data and other important information about OnePay. Let's scroll down to the Create New Order section and purchase some OnePay now. We're going to enter 10 XLM in the total field, which populated the amount field with about 1,052 OnePays, and some change at the current market price of 0.009499 XLM per OnePay. Note also that though we have 15 XLM in our account, the maximum available XLM for us to purchase with is 12 XLM. This is because the Stellar network requires you to maintain at least 3 XLM in your Stellar account at all times. This is also why we had to send at least 3 XLM to our Stellar wallet to activate and fund our account. Now we're ready to hit that big green Buy OnePay button and secure our OnePay tokens. Click the green Buy OnePay button now. Congratulations, you have officially joined the decentralized banking revolution. You're one of us now. We are so proud of you for taking the first step towards decentralized banking. We are just as happy as you are with your recent OnePay purchase. Congratulations again. Time to celebrate. It's official, you now officially hold OnePay in your StellarTerm account. Congratulations, your OnePay order has been fulfilled. Take a moment to celebrate what you have just accomplished. After all the celebration, let's verify our OnePay purchase is in our account. Click on the Account button from the top menu and wait for the StellarTerm account page to load. You can now see that our XLM balance is at 5 XLM and that we now officially hold 1,052.74 OnePay in our Stellar Wallet and StellarTerm account. Congratulations, you did it! You successfully purchased OnePay and now hold the future of cryptocurrencies in your Stellar Wallet and StellarTerm account. By selecting the OnePay Trade button under the Balances section from the StellarTerm account tab from the top menu, you can verify price data and also verify that the OnePay you purchased is in your account. If you click on Assets, you can now verify that OnePay is under My Assets section now shows your available balance of the OnePay purchase you just made. Congratulations, you're now an official OnePay holder. Get excited! This is just the beginning of your journey to decentralized finance. OnePay. Be your own bank. Low fees, lightning fast transfers, and low costs. Buy now, buy OnePay on Lobster. Buy now. The banking revolution for everyone has begun. OnePay is connecting the banked and the bankless population to the power of low fees, lightning fast transactions and transfers, powered by the ultra-secure Stellar network. The power of decentralized finance at your fingertips. Be your own bank. OnePay brings the banking system to your pocket. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection to get started today. Buy OnePay today and join the banking revolution for everyone. Be your own bank with OnePay. We're working on an app that allows you to store your OnePay in a safe and secure wallet, OnePay Wallet. So you can see our progress and upcoming features of the OnePay wallet. It is looking beautiful and our development team can't wait to share this web app with you. Congratulations! You're now an official OnePay holder. Get excited! This is just the beginning of your journey to decentralized finance. Buy OnePay today at onepaytoken.com.